Hello, I'm Henry Dresden. Sitting behind me is the Pelito Forest Sawmill, where people often say that they've heard disembodied voices, seen spectral phenomenon, and much, much more. Tonight, we hope to find out just what this is. Only on Spookum Hunters. Built in 1946, the mill has served Los Santos for over 50 years, but in that time it's seen its fair share of tragedies. The workers of the mill often state that they've heard different voices of people calling out and shouting their names, but no one's there around them. Seen things on security cameras, doors opening and closing on their own, saws buzzing through the night, yet they sit still. Me and Monty came up here today to speak with the foreman and find out just a little bit more about what has been seen up here at the Pelito Forest Sawmill.
Sir, have you noticed anything weird about the lumber mill? Any strange noises at night?
Yeah, I know kind of a few stories for you. There's this one about a Johnny Smalls cut off his penis.
Ah, interesting details you have shared with me today.
Well, yeah, I mean, I can tell you more if you want. I just
This will be very useful in our video
okay.
of the haunted lumber mill. Stop eating burgers. Chicken is a cleaner meat. We here at Cluckenbell only make the cleanest chicken. Our state-of-the-art chicken factory produces thousands of tons of chicken a day for all of Los Santos. Stop on by Cluckenbell for some hot, crispy tendies. Okay, bye now. Some of the drive, a lot of it is already gone.
So, Monty, what do you know about ghost hunting?
I don't know a damn thing.
So this is all kind of.
Oh shit, we're about to become the ghosts.
Oh shit! What's this?
Driving through my eyes is a very different experience. Normally I do it through my glasses.
So wait, so where you're from? You're used to driving differently?
Normally I wear my glasses.
So back to the question, what do you know about ghost hunting? Nothing?
Well, not a damn thing.
Yeah.
I
So
know that Ghostbusters were as popular when I was a kid.
so you're just coming along for this one? Are you excited?
I brought
or?
my vacuum.
Yeah, I don't think we can catch them with a vacuum.
I will damn well try.
Okay. Well, as soon as we get get up to the old lumber mill, we'll get right on that. Maybe we'll see if we can't suck up a ghost with a vacuum, huh?
I've never met a ghost that didn't like a good suck from a vacuum.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why some of them became ghosts.
What? Wait, what?
The suck from the vacuum. I should probably keep my eyes on the road. They looked at you for dramatic effect. We almost died.
Maybe you should just maybe you should just keep your eyes on the road. We might become ghosts. Ooh, that is a blind ass turn.
Then we can chase the ghost as ghosts. Well, as we arrived at the perfect time, it is very dark.
Yeah. Creepy, sure.
I even brought my cargo shorts. I've heard that's very good for something. You know, Mikey always says just do it, so I got that jacket on too. We have arrived at the very ominous looking lumberyard.
Very ominous. So, Monty, we're here at the lumber mill, and, this is a first test for us, as a ghost hunting team. I know a couple of the other members of the Weasel News crew wanted to be involved in this, but, I felt for a first out, me and you could see how this goes about. I've heard a lot of stories about, death and tragedy here at the lumber mill. I've looked into a couple of them. Back in, 1984, there was a actually pretty terrible one. An entire pallet of 4x4s fell on two gentlemen who were moving them, killing them instantly. And it's said that still to this day, every once in a while, people can hear screams of a man yelling, "Fuck! This hurts! Help! Get this thing off of me! It's so heavy!" And then it just abruptly ends. It has yet to be recorded on film, but it's one of those things I'm hoping we'll capture today.
Huh. Sounds kind of scary. Maybe it's just a lot of people dying here. Maybe each one of those screams are just another, OSHA complaint. Maybe the ghost name is OSHA.
You think wait, hold on. You think that the ghost's name is OSHA?
Yes.
I didn't find that in any of my research on this location.
OSHA, the ghost of workplace accident.
Oh, I see what you did there, Monty. Why don't
I
we,
am funny.
Yeah. What you know what? Why don't we take a tour of this location?
Yes.
So we set up some thermal imaging cameras, right?
Yes.
Let me know if you see anything, as you're panning through the through the lenses there. If you see anything, I'm gonna sit here and see if I can stir up some shit. I'm gonna fucking taunt these ghosts.
All right.
Hello, spirits of the lumber yard. I'm Henry Dresden. If you want to speak to me, please, reach out to us. Move something. You're welcome to pull on my pant legs. Poke me. Make yourself known somehow, spirits. You picking up anything on the thermal imaging?
No. Just you and me.
Huh. Okay. Let me pull out. Let me hold on. Let me get out a little doodad here. 1 second. All right. Well, I'm gonna pull out this EMF reader that we have here, and it picks up electromagnetic fields. It'll let us know if there are any spirits in this location, and if it goes off, then we know that there's more than likely a spookums in the location.
We don't like the spookums.
Oh, you see that? It's beeping like crazy.
It's glowing.
Where is this thing? It's oh. No, it went away. Let's see if we can't get it back. Spirits, make this thing beep again if you're near here. Spirits, come back. Huh? I'm not picking it. It's not.
Oh my god!
Dude, I think we made it out. I don't know what that was.
It was very scary.
Did you see anything or did you hear that?
I heard the beeping on your little strange device thing.
Did you hear that scream?
Scream?
You didn't hear it?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, while we're here, I guess we can we can do the spirit box thing, and see if maybe they'll wanna talk to us through the spirit box.
Maybe.
Here, you go ahead and you carry this.
That's not what they think.
Hmm? There. Alright. So if you flick that little switch there should be like a little thing that says spirit box. Can you see it? Flick it on.
Yes. Are you there? Nothing. What is your name? Did you die because you are dumb? Hey, I think I hear something. What? It's trying to, it's,
Gotta get back to the van. I gotta get back to the van. Gotta get back to the van. It's still locked. The van's locked. The van's locked. I can't leave Monty in there like that. I gotta go. Okay. What is that? Monty, is that you? Crawling up, buddy?
to get me.
Okay. I'm coming, Monty. Hold on, buddy. Wait. Get this. Get it. Wait, you have the keys to the van. Get in the van.
Let's get the
What are we
fuck
doing?
out of here.
Unlock the fucking van. Where'd the door go?
Oh,
What?
It took our door.
What?
We
Get out of
gotta get out of
What?
here.
Oh, hold on. Oh, here, click it or ticket. Oh shit! No! Oh shit! No! Fuck! No! What? Oh shit, Eddie's not gonna be happy about this. Fucking climb out of the van.
It crashed our van.
Let's get out of here. The insurance will cover it. Just go. Fucking ghosts. When Monty and I got back to the Weasel News office, we discussed what we saw and took some time to look over the footage. And what we found was quite chilling. Alright, Monty. Here I have some clips I think we should look over. Tell me what you think you hear.
Okay. What is your name? Did you die because you are dumb? Interesting. I think I hear something. sounds very odd.
Yeah, it got me too. It's I mean, what we found is quite amazing. I think we're really onto something here. I don't know what it is, but it's quite unnerving, you know.
Do you believe that it could be a spookum?
I don't know. It's definitely something, and it's something that I think people should see. It sounds almost as if there's a voice calling out from the other side. What they're wanting is still anybody's guess, but me and Monty will always remember the night we spent at the Pelito Forest Sawmill.